start with the unboxing of your amazing giant flower arrangement.
With giant flowers lighting up the way, just unbox the magic, let it unfold. A blooming wonder, bright and bold. Setup is simple, fast and clean. Iron pipe base, like a dream.
So it comes with your leaves, you already set it up, your pipes and your flowers, your base, the pipe holders, and your boxwood.
No stress, no mess, just plug and play. Your event transforms in a dazzling way. From box to beauty in record time. With giant flowers, it's all sublime.
Setup is simple, fast and clean. Iron pipe base, like a dream. Insert the stem, leave standing tall. Then the bloom, the biggest of all. Amazing giant flowers, we never delay. Always on time, we brighten your day. Watch your venue bloom with style. We make it stunning every mile. Getting ready's never been so sweet, with petals towering tall and neat. Amazing giant flowers, you can't go wrong. We bring the bloom, we bring the song.
This is the setting up of a giant flower.